Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for visiting and supporting this channel. Today we're going to take a look at a useful security software called Top Data Protector, a powerful tool designed to help protect your important files and personal data on Windows computers. Top Data Protector is developed to give users an easy way to secure private folders, documents, photos, videos, and other sensitive files. With cyber threats and privacy concerns becoming more common today, protecting personal and business data is more important than ever. One of the main features of Top Data Protector is its ability to lock and hide files or folders with password protection. Once your files are protected, they become inaccessible to unauthorized users, helping keep your private information safe from unwanted access.
Another useful feature is the encrypted data vault. This allows users to store valuable files securely in a protected environment. Whether it's personal photos, work documents, financial records, or creative projects, the software helps prevent data leaks, accidental deletion, and unauthorized modifications. Top Data Protector also helps defend your files against ransomware attacks. By restricting access to protected folders, it adds an extra layer of security to reduce the risk of malicious software encrypting or damaging your important data. The software is designed with a simple and user-friendly interface, making it easy even for beginners to use. Protecting files only takes a few simple steps. Install the software, create a master password, and add the files or folders you want to secure.
Another great advantage is compatibility. Top Data Protector supports multiple Windows versions, including Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7, making it accessible for many users. Overall, Top Data Protector is a practical solution for anyone looking to improve privacy and data security on their PC. It offers file hiding, folder locking, password protection, encryption, and ransomware defense in one easy-to-use application. That's it for today's review video. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to click the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about your thoughts or experiences with data protection software. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.